Okay, so come to question number one. Question number one, part one. The question is, in the expression 3 to the power 7, 3 to the power 7, what is the base and what is the exponent? So in this expression, 3 is the base and 7 is the exponent. In the video that I have sent you in the last class, I have told you exponent is also known as power, or we can say it as indices. Indices. Okay. Same way, see, I will do some questions. Some question will be your homework. Whatever question I will not attempt here, it will be your homework. So let us come to part 3. The question is, in the expression 2 by 5 to the power 11, which one is base and which one is exponent? 2 by 5 is base and exponent 11 is the exponent. Okay. I hope you have written what is integers. The power, as see, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the, if I write 2 to the power 3, this 2 is base and this 3 is known as exponent or power or indices. All these three are same. Okay, if I say that 2 to the power 3, that means I want to say 2 to the power 3 or 2 exponent 3, same thing. So I hope you have written these answers. Let us move to next question, number 2. Question number 2. Find the value of the following. Let us solve number 3. The question number 3 is minus 6 to the power 4. Minus 6 to the power 4. So minus 6 to the power 4 means we will multiply minus 6 4 times. Just keep writing whatever I am writing here. So the first work you will do is to multiply symbols. First work you will do is to multiply symbols. So minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, again minus into minus is plus. So it will be plus. Okay, whether you write plus or do not write it, same thing. And 6 into 6 into 6 into 6, that means we will multiply 6 4 times. The answer will be 1296. Okay, now move to question number 5, 2 part 5. The question is minus 2 by 3 whole to the power 5. Same way we will write minus 2 by 5, 2 by 3, sorry, minus 2 by 3 into 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 minus 2 by 3. Why I have written 5 times? See here, power 5 is given. So I have to multiply the base 5 times. So first we will multiply symbol. So minus into minus plus into minus minus into minus plus into minus minus. So it will be minus. If we multiply 2 5 times, it will be 32 by And if we will multiply 3 5 times, it will be 729. Okay. Now I hope this part is clear. Have you written these questions in your copy? How 243? Oh, it will be 243. Yes. I have multiplied one extra 3 here. No worry. Same type, whatever power is given, you have to multiply as many times. Power 5 is given, so we have to multiply 3 5 times. It will be 243. So I hope you have written. Okay. So I have written. You have written the answers. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 3. The question is express the following in the exponential form. Part 2 I am doing. It is given t into t into t. So how many t are there? 1, 2, 3. So it will be t to the power 3. Okay. Number 3. 3 part 3 I am doing. 2 into 2 into a into a into a into a. So these two base are unequal. We will choose the term or to choose the similar term. Okay. So how many twos are there? 2, 2. So it will be 2 square. And how many a's are there? It will be a to the power 4. In the question, it is given to write the answers in the exponential form. So we have to apply power here. Now move to number 4. So the question is a into a into a into c into c into c into c into d. We will choose the similar base. These 3, these 4 and this 1. So we will write a to the power 3, c to the power 4 and d to the power 1. Keep writing in your copy, okay? Keep writing in your copy. So I hope you have written this solution. Now let us move to question number 4. Simplify the following. Simplify the following means you have to find the value. Let me do number 2. Number 2 is 2 to the power 5 into 9. So 2 to the power 5 is how much? 2 to the power 5 is how much? 32 into 9. So how we will write? We will write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 9. So it will be 32 into 9. The answer will be 288. And number 3. It is 3 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 3, that means we have to multiply 3 times. So 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27 into 10 to the power 4. That means 140 you have to write. So the answer will be 271234. Okay. Okay. You don't need to send answers here. If you want to ask anything, if you are having any doubt, then only send it in the chat section. You don't need to send answer here. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. That is question number 5. I am solving some parts, like first we will solve part 2. Minus 3 square into minus 5 square. Minus 3 square into minus 5 square. We will write like minus 3 into minus 3. Power 2 is given, and here also power 2 given. So we will write minus 5 into minus 5. We will multiply symbol first. So it will be plus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, and minus minus plus. So it will be plus. After that, 3 3 are 9. 9 into 25. So it will be 225. Next, let me solve part 5. Let me solve part 4 first. Minus 1 to the power 9. If minus 1 having odd power, it will be minus 1 only. If minus 1 is having even power, it will be 1. Okay. If minus 1 is having odd power, it will be minus 1 only. If minus 1 having even power, then it will be 1. Now, the part 5. It is 25 square into minus 1 to the power 31. So 25 into 25 is 625. And in the previous question I have told only if the power is odd, it will be minus 1 only. So answer will be minus 625. I have told not to send answers here. What you are doing? If you are having doubt only, then send it. Else I have to switch off the chat section also. Part 6 of question number 5. 4 square into 3 cube into minus 1 to the power 122. So 4 square is 16, 3 cube is 27, and minus 1 to the power 122. 122 is even, so it will be 1. So how much it will be? 432. I hope you have finished writing these answers. Yes, when the power is even, minus will be removed. Okay. 5 part 4. I am explaining 5 part 4 again. If minus 1 having power, if minus 1 have power, suppose 93, okay, or any odd number, if minus 1 having a power of any odd number, then it will be minus 1 only. But if minus 1 is having even power, suppose 204, 204 is even number, so it will change to 1, minus will get removed. Okay, just remember this thing. I hope you have written all the answers. Now let us move to question number 6. Now question number 6, you have to identify which one is greater. Part 2 we will do 7 cube or 3 to the power 7. We have to identify which one is greater. So 7 cube is how much? 7 into 7 into 7, that is 343, and 3 to the power 7, that means we have to multiply 3 7 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will be 2187. So which one is greater? This one is greater. So we can write is smaller than 3 to the power 7, or 3 to power 7 is greater, you can write. Part 4 we will do whatever questions that I have lived here will be your homework. 2 to the power 10 or 10 to the power 2, which one is greater? 2 to the power 10 means we have to multiply 2 10 times. If you multiply 2 10 times, it will be 1024. Okay. And if you multiply 10 2 times, it will be 100. Which one is greater? This one is greater. So you can write 2 to the power 10 is greater than 10 to the power 2. I hope this part is clear to you. Now let us move to next question. Question number 7. Write the following numbers as the power of 2. Power of 2. I am doing number 2. 128. What we have to do? We have to find LCM. We have to keep dividing it by 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8. Again 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, and 2 2 are 4. Now count how many 2's we have got. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay. So how many 2 we have got? 7 2 we have got. So answer will be 2 to the power 7. The answer will be 2 to the power 7. Same way, number 3. It is given 1024. In previous question only we have done. So it will be 2 to the power 10. I hope this part is clear to you. Now come to question number 8. Keep writing fast. Question number 8. To what power minus 2 be raised to get 16? That means what power we will write of minus 2, we will get the answer 16. Okay. So the better way is find the LCM of 16. The better way is to find the LCM of 16. Divide it by 2. How many 2 we have got? 4 2 we have got. So we can write it as 2 is to the power 4. Now since the power we have got is even, so if we write minus 2 here, then also we will get 16. So see, both the base are same. This is very important line, so remember it well. If the base are same, and if we need to find the value of a power, okay, so what we can do, we can eliminate the same base and we can write x is equal to 4. So the power, the value of x will be 4. You can write one statement that up to 4 should be raised. Okay. Now move to question number 9. So can we write 4 exponent 2? No, why? No, we cannot write. We have to make the base equal. If you want to find the value of power, then base should be equal. The base must be equal. Okay. Now let us move to next question, question number 9. Write the following numbers as the power of minus 3. Number 2, minus 27. Minus 27. Same way, what you have to do, find the LCM of 27 first. 3 9 ja 27 and 3 3 ja 9. So what we have to do, we have to write like minus 3 because minus is there to the power 3. Okay. Now part 3, it is given 81. No minus or plus, minus is there. It is plus 81. So find the LCM. 81 divided by 3. How many 3 we have got? 4 3 we have got. So we can write it as 3 to the power 4. Okay. Come to question number 10 now. I hope you have written the answer. Who is this? Abhishek. I am Abhishek. I am removing you from the class. Okay, this class is not a joke, so you must behave well. Now come to question number 10. The question number 10 is find the value of x in each of the following. So let me solve part 2 first. 3 to the power x is equal to 729. Same way we have to find the LCM of 729. So we will divide it by 3 first. It will be 2 4 3 81 27 9 3 3. So how many threes we have got? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we can write this term as 3 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 6. Now see, we have got the same base, so we will eliminate this base and the value of x will be 6. Part 4, minus 4 to the power x is equal to minus 1024. See, the base is 4, so we have to divide it by 4. If we divide it by 4, it will be 256, 64, 16, 4, 4. How many 4 we have got? 1 2 3 4 5. So it will be minus 4 to the power x is equal to, since here minus 1024 is given, so we will write minus 4 to the power 5. We have got the base same, so we will eliminate this base, and what we have left, x is equal to 5. Part 6, minus 3 by 4 to the power x equal to minus 243 by 1024. So what we can write, minus 3 by 4 to the power x equal to minus. If we find the LCM of 243, if you find the LCM of 243, what we will get? Class, time is about to over, 8 or 7 minutes left. So what you have to do, you have to click the same link to join. So how many 3 we have got? 5 3 we have got. Same way, 1024, see here we have done by 4. So we have to write to the power 5. Okay. So we have got the base same, deduct it, the value of x will be 5. Write this answer in your copy. I hope you have written. Let us move to question number 11. Question number 11 is very easy. Very good, you have completed. See, you have to write it fast. Question number 11, what you have to do, you have to write the prime factorization of the following numbers in the exponential form. So question number 11 part 2 we will do. First one is 360. First one is 360. Find the LCM of 360 divided by 2 first. 180. Again 2. 90. We can again do divided by 2. 45. Now divided by 3. 15. Now 3 5s are 15. Write all the numbers. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. After that, how many 2's are there? We have to choose the numbers of the same base. So we will write 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 1. Okay, this will be our answer. Next is part 5. 2280. So if we find the LCM of 2280, we have to divide it by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 0. Again divided by 2. 570. Again divided by 2. 285. Now divided by 5. 57. Now divided by 3. 19. Write all the numbers. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 19. So we can write it as 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 1 into 19 to the power 1. This will be our answer. No, Bhavesh Kabra. Here in the question only it is given to write in the exponential form. So 1 also you have to write. Okay. Now last question, because less than 5 minutes left. Part 7. It is 4725. Find the LCM of 4725. Four, 7, 2, 5. Last number is 5, so we have to divide it by 5 only. It will be 9, 4, 5. After that, this also we have to divide it by 5. It will be 1, 8, 9. Now divided by 3. Again divided by 3. 3, 7, 21. Write all the numbers. 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7. So in exponential form, we can write it as 5 square into 3 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 1. I hope you have written all the answers that I have explained here. The homework will be whatever question I have left here, you have to write in your copy. Next day, we will do exercise 4.2. So if you have any question or if you have any query, you can ask here. If you have any query, you can ask here. Abhishek Chakraborty, I am not saying it to you. One more Abhishek is there. I am saying it to him. See, this is your class going on, so you must behave well. Have you completed? Homework will be the questions that I have left, means the questions that I have not done here. You have to do it yourself. Next day we will start exercise 4.2. And today, after the classes, when your class get over, I will upload this video in your WhatsApp group. Okay, very good. Now, few minutes or 2 minutes left for our class to get over. And also our Zoom class is getting over. So submit the answers next day. Thank you, students.